So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to listen your page in your Confluence. For this guys, first of all you go to your page on Confluence. After that simply go to the option of meeting notes. Here you simply go here, this is my meeting notes and this is my page, and guys here you see there is a small icon is called listen. Okay, so you simply click on the option of listen, and here you see meeting notes in space, and you switch to the narrator, and it's around 0 to so sorry, I converted this on. So your playlist, so your
The
listening
material is a placeholder page for meeting notes rather than
so
substantive
this is
notes
the way that you
themselves.
can do.
It points to 4 embedded sections: